If you're choosing between Cursor Pro and Claude Pro, this is a classic tool versus model battle. They cost about the same, but they do very different things. So, which one is actually worth it? Let's break it down. Cursor Pro is an AI-powered coding IDE. It's basically a full development environment where AI is built directly into your workflow. You get features like multi-file editing, code-based awareness, and agent-style coding that can modify an entire project at once. It also gives you access to multiple models like Claude, GPT, and Gemini in one place. The biggest advantage is productivity. Everything happens inside your editor, so you can build and edit code much faster. The downside is limits. You get around 500 fast requests per month, then it slows down, which can be frustrating for heavy users. Claude Pro, on the other hand, is a pure AI model subscription. You're getting direct access to one of the best reasoning models available, along with tools like Claude Code, file uploads, and long context analysis. It's extremely strong at writing, debugging, and understanding large code bases. The key advantage is quality. Responses are often more accurate and require fewer iterations. It's also more flexible since you can use it beyond coding, like research, writing, and automation. The downside is workflow. It's not a full IDE, so you don't get the same seamless coding experience as Cursor. So the real difference is this. Cursor Pro is a coding environment, while Claude Pro is a powerful AI brain. If you want faster development, real-time editing, and an all-in-one coding workflow, Cursor Pro is the better choice. If you want the smartest AI responses, better reasoning, and a tool you can use beyond coding, Claude Pro is the better value. Bottom line, Cursor Pro is better for productivity inside your IDE, while Claude Pro is better for raw intelligence and versatility, and many serious developers actually use both together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.